What is up, guys? Brittech here, back with another video, and today we're going to be installing iOS 17.0.1 on iPhone. So let's get into it. All right, go to settings, and you can either select software update available or scroll down to general and then select software update. And then it's going to be under this section right here. So as you can see, the update is approximately 346.4 megabytes. And this update provides important bug fixes and security updates and is recommended for all users. Now, if you want to find out more information on this specific update, you can always click the Apple support link right there at the bottom. But in the meantime, we are going to select Update Now, and this is going to download the update. All right, guys, as you can see, the update is requesting my passcode, and now it has begun to download the software update. Now, this is going to take about 6 more minutes, and then once it's finished, it's going to install. So let's go ahead and give this some time. Okay, so now the download has completed. When you select install now, it's going to verify the update, and then it's going to take you through a series of reboots. Your phone is going to shut off. Now, if you're having any issues trying to click the install now button and it is grayed out, you may need to hook your phone up to the charger. Your phone needs to be at least 50% charged for most installs, but sometimes it only requires 20%. So hook your phone up to the charger just to be safe. Once the install is complete, your home screen will appear and you will see this message. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.